Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make churros eggless full guide. Use water, all-purpose flour, salt, a touch of oil, and baking powder to form a smooth paste-like dough. Heat oil to 350 degrees F, fill a piping bag with a star tip, and pipe 3/4-inch ropes directly into oil. Fry until deep golden, drain briefly, and toss warm in cinnamon sugar for classic flavor and crunch. Gather 1 cup water, 1/2 teaspoons salt, 2 tablespoons oil, 1 cup flour, and 1 teaspoon baking powder for the dough. Bring water, salt, and oil to a boil, then stir and flour off heat until it forms a smooth ball. Allow it to cool slightly before piping to avoid steam burns. Keep a plate lined with paper towel ready to drain fried churros. Maintain oil temperature near 350 degrees F for even cooking and a non-greasy result. Fry churros in small batches to avoid temperature drops, using tongs to turn them for uniform browning. Drain on paper towels briefly, then roll each warm churro in a cinnamon sugar mix to lock in flavor. Offer dipping sauces like melted chocolate or dulce de leche.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.